Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn select statement, how we are going to writing and how we are going to following a step-by-step procedure to taking a necessary action to write a clean select statement. Let's see, by connecting our Object Explorer by writing like a username and password, just hit connect. So you will be redirected to here. So I told you to prepare your local database. So here I'm using these lectures for this database to getting more data and more accurate information. So AdventureWorks LT 2019, if you are not downloaded and added to your local database engine, try to watch our video lecture to get the sample database and download and ready to learn these queries. If you are having more data, then you will be worked perfectly. So that's what I am getting, like these data only, like customers, products. This is the default data would be there here. So if you want to practice our existing a simple database also, yes, it is possible to practice yourself. There is no problem. All you have to understand how to write a clean SQL select statement. So here AdventureWorks, go to new query window. Here I'm just typing like C select statement. So how to write the select statement? What are the precautions we need to take to write a great select statement? So let's see. Select. Okay, select by default column column 1 comma column column 2 and so on. These columns we will write by comma based, and from where we need to get the data, the table name where we need to write. So the table name of the table we need to write here. This is the basic syntax we need to follow. Basic syntax we need to follow. And select class specifies either one or more columns to retrieve. Which columns we are specified here? Which columns we are going to specify here? Name of the column. So how the table column name is, we need to write here very clearly. So according to the names, how many columns we are written, if the data is available inside the table already, we will get in the outside in the result set. See, if you need to complete all the columns from the table, you just use for asterisk also, star, select star from table. So star indicates it's a wild character, wildcard character, and it will be fetch all the columns from the table, which table you are selected. For one table only. For multiple tables, we are going to learn in upcoming lectures. So one table only we need to select, and for that select start from table, you will get it. And what is a from now? So from class specifies one or more tables specified to retrieve the data rows using comma separated columns from the table which we are given. So the from the source where we need to getting. And where class also will becomes to know like how to filter the data. Where class also will come to the select statement itself. So how to filter the data, in that queries we are going to learn more about to the where class. Okay, where what we need to do, like a column like id, I have shown you on delete query, like id equal to 2 means id column like a 2 row only it will be selected and it will be displayed now. Okay, we'll see in these are the things we'll see. Just simply you just see select star from table name means you will get all the columns, and instead of star you are specifying a column names, that particular columns only you will get in output. So how these are the things are possible? Let's see here. I'll write a column like customers. See the sales LT underscore like dot customers. This table I'm taking like copy select star from table name, just F5. Yeah, so invalid customers it is saying that. So sales LT also we have to specify sales dot LT. Oh sorry, sales LT dot. Yeah, this is the schema name. Okay, this schema name, it's nothing but here it is there. So how it is representing? Complete table name you can specify. Wow, select star from table name. So you see here it will be says that this is the result set. What is the result set? Here in the query window you are writing a query and you are getting a result set. What the query you are asking to the database, the same result set you are getting here. So here you keenly observe, ma. So the first name column is here. Instead of star, see first column, middle column, last column is there, company name. So these the things I am taking, not only entire like other columns I don't want to see in my report. So first name, comma, what is that, last name, yeah, comma, company name. These three things only enough for my output table, report table. So what I am trying to doing, first column, last name column, column names, these are the names I have written, okay, and company name. So let's run it. Wow, my result set is only this one only. So like columns only I have stopped, whereas entire 847 rows are coming inside the output. So if you want to make it to filter, how to filter we'll see on our where classes. Very clearly we have designed for that classes also. Alright. And similarly using wildcard means I have shown you the same query. I'm taking a copy and from, yeah, and just remove this and put a star for getting all the data rows. So I need to comment this row. Yes. Now I'm sorry. Now execute the statement. Only yes, select star from means everything what the columns are available inside the table, all the columns we are going to presenting over here. So how simply it is? It's really very greatly we are able to seeing this query. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.